Hi everyone, today I have a fun unboxing for you. This was gifted to me by Victoriasmoon. You might remember them from my diamond painting video. This time, however, this is a paint by number kit. So this here is the box. And we're just going to open it and see what's inside. So you've got your canvas, and this is actually canvas material. Then you've got your paint, more paint, still more inside. You've got your paint brushes, and even more paint. And that's everything from inside the box. So I have 3 sets of paints, this one here, this one, and then this one. And they've also given me another set of paint brushes. So I've got this one here, and then I've got these 3 here. Oh, and this as well. So there's quite a lot of paint brushes, and you can see that they are numbered. So these are going to just correlate with this here. You can see there's numbers there. I mean, this is fairly straightforward. The diamond painting, you have to kind of know a few things, but with the paint by number kit, it's just so simple. You literally paint by numbers. So let me open the canvas up, show you all that. I think this requires less patience than the diamond painting requires as well. So this is really big. I'm just going to roll it out. And this is in half, so that's how big it is. So that's all rolled out, and then I've got to open it up. Look at how huge it is. It's not even going to fit on my table. Wow, that's huge. I didn't know how big it was. You can see the size of it. That is just crazy. And that's just half, like the other half has gone all the way down. Let me show you. So you can see the size of it. It's crazy. Wow, I have no idea how long this is going to take. This is just insane. It's way bigger than the diamond painting. And you can see there's all types of numbers and patterns. And you just use your paints to match up with the number. And you just literally paint those in. I can't even remember what the image was. I'm going to have to go onto the website and I will paste the image in to show you what I have selected and what it should look like once I am done. I have no idea how long this is going to take, honestly. The good thing about having different sets of paints and paintbrushes is that loads of people can get in on this at the same time. So like I could be sitting here working on this piece, and then I can have my sister up there, my mum down there. It's definitely a fun thing to do together, that's for sure. I have no idea how I'm going to frame something this big. I don't know if I can even do that. We'll have to see. I'll try and show you all another video once it's completed, and if I do frame it, I'll show you how. But for now, let me just get out some of the paint and get started just to show you all. I think the easiest way to do this is probably to stick to one colour at a time or a number. So I'm probably going to start with number 12. And then I'm just going to have a look and try and do as many number 12s as I can. I think it's just completely down to you what paintbrush you use. I think the smaller surface, of course, you're going to use a smaller one. And then the bigger ones, you can use the thicker brushes here. What I've noticed about this company is that they always make sure that you have extra. So there's definitely going to be extra paint as well. And you can see with each packet, there's even paint underneath as well. So there's this layer here, and then there's a second one on top. So yeah, if you want to do something fun as a family, this is definitely an option. Even kids can get involved with this because it's so easy. And then you can all have a set of paintbrushes and paint, and then just go and do your own corner. And I think that that's such a cool idea because you've got like an art piece when you finish it, and you've all done it together as a family, or even like as a couple if you want. I'm going to stop talking now and we're going to start painting. Like I said, I am going to go with number 12. The paintbrushes are really good quality as well. So here's number 12, we're going to go in. And the paint, I don't know if you can see, it's really good quality. It's thick, it's not runny, really good. I'm impressed with that. I'm actually going to use a smaller paintbrush just for the sides there, because I feel like this is too thick and I don't want it to pour into the other numbers. That's much better, yeah. Definitely prefer doing this. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there for now because I'm sure you get the picture and it's so relaxing, I do have to say. Thank you again to Victoriasmoon for sending this out to me. I love trying out new crafts and this just gives me an excuse. Just a reminder guys, make sure you check out the link in the description box for a 10% off discount code. There is no expiry date either for it. I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing and review and maybe give it a go yourself or something to do with the family. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye.